What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My face not going to be in the camera today, but I came to show you guys my new iPhone 13 Pro. And I did open the shipping box already, but I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. So this is what it came in. Of course, I took the shipping tag off. I don't want y'all to see my address. So, again, this is the box it came in. Just a regular brown box. And then it had, of course, the bubbles in it to protect the phone, I guess. I don't know if it did all that protecting. But, I'm going to put it on. Here is the case it comes in. I guess it did protect it a lot. But this is a new way, I guess, for them, because my last iPhone didn't come like this. So yeah, this is what it is. And let's see. So you have to peel the back of it off in order to open it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Oh, okay. So yeah. And this is the phone. A lot of people be wearing gloves when they do an unboxing. I don't know why, but yeah, it's that serious, I guess. But yes, this is the phone. I hope you guys can see it. The chrome is really shiny and nice. I really like the chrome, the thickness of it. I like the thickness of this phone. I'm definitely going to have to, I didn't get no accessories because they really high. So, I'm going to go on Amazon and get me a couple of accessories. So before I take that off, I'm going to look in the rest of the box. And of course, this is the pen for your SIM card. And this is the USB cord. And that's it. So I'm guessing I have to buy me a adapter, which is cool because I got like 3 or 4 of them already. So let's take this off. And the phone is really heavy. Like, I don't know if I had a phone this heavy before. I'm trying to think back. Like early 2000s, I think the phones were this heavy. But this phone is really heavy. I don't know how I feel about that. But you know what? I guess it's cool because I don't really hold a phone in my hand. You know, talk up to my ear, no way. It be on speaker most of the time. So, I guess it's cool. And then the cameras are really big. The cameras are really big. And of course, it's 3. And then you have these 2 down here. The flash. I have my daughter telling me what that is. Because I guess I'm not sure. But, yeah. I want you guys to see the thickness of the phone. Like, it's really thick. It's so thick. And I'm not sure what this is. That's something new. That's not on my other iPhone. I guess I can, well, I have the iPhone XR, but I'm recording on it, so. Is it 10R or XR, y'all? I don't know.
It's the white XR.
Okay, so my daughter says it's the white XR, but I'm recording on it, so I can't compare the two. But it's definitely not this thick, but they're pretty much the same size. And the cameras, of course, is like out of this world. This is what I got this phone for the camera. and just to record more videos and get better quality of the videos. I'm excited about that. So let me go ahead and take this off. Oh man, it's so cute. It's so cute, y'all. I'm definitely gonna have to hurry up to Amazon and get a phone case because I just see this going all bad if I drop this. And it's so heavy, it's gonna hit the ground hard because it has weight on it. And I don't know exactly how heavy it is. I wish I knew. It may have the weight on the back of here. No, it don't. It don't have the weight on the back of there, but you guys, when I tell you it has weight on it, it really does. But I'm loving the color. I didn't want like a blue or nothing like that. I kind of wanted to be neutral, but real classy. And the white was like the best choice for me. This is so cute, you guys. I'm so excited to turn it on and look at the video quality, look at the picture quality, because this is the main reason I got the phone. So I think that's everything. That was my little unboxing of my iPhone 13 Pro. And I'll come back and I'll let you guys know. I might put the video together once I get it turned on and take a few pictures and do a couple of videos with the phone and kind of come back and let you guys know how I feel about the quality of the videos and the pictures, because that's my #1 reason for getting it. So yeah, I really like this. Oh my gosh, the smudging is bothering me. So I have to go to Amazon and get that screen protector because that's bothering me. So I'm going to put it back in the box, and I think until I get my screen protector, because I really don't want to break it. So I'm going to get a screen protector, and I'm going to get a phone case to protect it. So yeah, that is the end of my unboxing, and I really think it's super cute. So I will see you guys in another video, and I definitely recommend it. So if you guys are interested and you wanted to know how it felt or how heavy it was, and then I'm gonna come back with the quality of the video, but based off of how it looks. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know the quality of the videos and the pictures a little bit later, but it's gonna be on the same video, so I'll come back later. Bye.